This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default search engine in the Microsoft Edge web browser using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To change your default search engine, you want to first open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to tap on Settings. Now on this page, I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where I see Search, and I'm going to tap on Search. And then right up top here, select Search Engine. By default, your search engine is probably set to Bing. I'm going to tap on it. I can change it to Yahoo, Google, DuckDuckGo, or Yandex. I'm going to select Google. Now I'm going to tap on Done. That is how to change your default search engine in the Microsoft Edge web browser using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.